Tavon Dre here. You're watching Eddie Vision TV. Like, share, and subscribe.
Greetings viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Eddie Vision TV. I'm your host, Eddie Gona. And this is the channel where we look at sports differently. So now people, I'm going to bring you down memory lane a bit. Who remembered when the Reggae Girlz got rid of Vin Blaine? They wrote a letter and the players signed that letter. But two of the players did not sign. Two of the girls did not sign. So no signature from those two girls. And subsequent to that, Vin Blaine lost his job. But we never saw those two Reggae Girlz represent the team. Until the other day in the Gold Cup qualifications against Panama and Guatemala. So now, it would look like these girls were blacklisted, so to speak. What say you?
Be a cossid, be a controversy.
And you know, why I bring up this topic, I heard Rudolph Speed in an interview said that two girls did not sign and they didn't see the pitch after that. But these girls returned for the Gold Cup qualifications, and they're back, all because the team that went to the World Cup did not want to play, and we all know the reasons why. But why now? Why bring back the girls? And it is alleged that these girls are, don't know if you figured them out already, but these girls allegedly are Marlo Sweatman and Chenelu Asha. So again, these are the girls that allegedly did not sign the contract way back when. So now, it looked kind of fishy, you know. Obviously, the girls did not make the World Cup team, but what I liked about the girls, they still came and represented. And we heard in an interview where Marlo pretty much said that, look, I'm a professional and I'll be here whenever my name is called.
I know everybody's avoiding the politics, but was it difficult for you to come out and play given the circumstances surrounding the team?
Definitely not difficult at all. I think as a professional, anytime my name is called to play for the national team, I'm more than happy to represent, and I love my country, and it wasn't a difficult decision at all.
But why would the girls not get a call up? Why? Is it that the girls who signed the contract didn't want these two girls to be a part of the setup? I don't know. Because I don't see why the JFF or the coaching staff would not select them based on the fact that they refused to put their signatures on that letter. Why were these girls blacklisted? I know these girls have talent, and I believe at least one of them could have made the World Cup team, maybe even two, on merit, based on who we brought to the World Cup. I think these two are experienced and could have made the squad. Just some food for thought. I respect the players if they choose not to sign that document, and I also respected the players who decided to sign the document. To each his own, but you know, it's something to think about. And you know, we're happy that Marlo and Asha is back in the setup, and we have to wait and see if they made the cut. Let's hope that the blacklist is no longer black, green. You know what I mean? Interesting times. Will we see the return of these girls to the senior team alongside the likes of Khadija Bonishaw and others? I'm Eddie Gona. Thanks for watching, and always remember, like, share and subscribe.